I am so blessed and happy to have the most loving partner in my life that loves me just the way I am, that accepts the dark and the light part of me, the joyful and not so joyful part, that allows me to be free just the way I am, that loves my smile, my laughter, my wisdom, and everything that makes me me, that loves my body, that looks at me through the eyes of perfection and always challenges me, encourages me to be even better every day. I am so blessed and I'm so grateful to wake up next to the love of my life every morning, to enjoy the beautiful hugs, the warmth of our hearts, while we hear and feel each other's bodies, the smell of each other, the sound of beautiful words of love whispered in each other's ears. I am so grateful to have you in my life, as I make space for you in every area of my life, in my closet, at my dining table, in my kitchen, in my schedule. I make space for you in my life because you deserve it, as you do the same for me. I love the way you look at me. I love the way you smile at me. I love the way you listen to me. I love the way you understand me, just the way I am. I love your pure innocence. I love that you allow yourself to open up your heart, to share your deepest feelings with me. I love that you're my best friend. I am so grateful to have you in my life, to listen, love, respect, and understand you, to be there for you in the good times and challenging times. I love the taste of our kisses. I love the feeling of your hands over my body. I love the heated sensation every time you touch me. I love that you allow me to be powerful and strong and beautiful, and you accept all of me. You allow me to be wild, to be the nerd, and all of it that makes me me, as I am accepting every part of you. I love and respect everything that makes you you. I love and accept everything you love and accept. I'm interested in your hobbies and what makes you smile, as you get curious and you fall in love with things I love to do. I love how we pay attention to each other's needs and learn each other's love languages. I love you just the way you want to be loved, and you love me just the way I want to be loved. I am so grateful and so lucky to have you in my life. To wake up in the morning, hearing your breath, feeling your body, smelling your skin, feeling your touch, hearing the beat of your heart. I love to share this eternal moment when the time seems to just stop. I love the way you look at me, like I could do no wrong, You love the way I look at you. Respect and love you just the way you are. You inspire me to be better and better every day. To wake up with a huge smile on my face, excited to share another moment with you. To build a home, to build a future with. You are the person I've dreamed of my entire life. And I am so grateful to have you by my side. As I hear the sound of your loving words into my ear, my entire body goes into a tingling sensation. This wave of love that I could swim in my entire life, knowing that I'm the luckiest person in the world to have you by my side. I love the way you look at me. I love the way you listen to me so attentive, paying attention to every little detail so you don't miss a thing. I like the questions that you ask and your undenying curiosity in what makes me me. I love that you allow me in your life. You share with me your heart, your troubles and your joy. I love our beautiful friendship. I love what we create every day. I love that we are perfect on our own, and when we're together, our power grows exponentially 10 times fold. I love the way the world changes around when we are together. People feel our strong, powerful energy. They feel like we've known each other for a very long time. I love that you're in my life. I am so grateful to God and universe for sending you my way. You are a perfect creation of God, as I am. And our love and attraction to each other is undeniable. Every moment we spend together, the time stops. We could be sharing moments that become eternal. And every time we see each other, it seems like yesterday, with the same passion, same heat, same undeniable attraction. Our chemistry, our energy, it's beyond this world. I thank God and all the angels of light for sending you my life, as I can finally be me with a person I love. That I can be me in all the colors, shapes, or forms, because you accept me just the way I am. And I allow you to be you and accept just the way you are. And we inspire each other every day to be better, be stronger, grow from inside out, and shine the light to those around us who are less fortunate. I love that you're in my life. I deserve you, and you deserve me. And I thank God every moment that we get to experience this beautiful love, unconditional love we have for each other. An undeniable connection that is out of this world. As I feel you even when you're miles away, the same way you feel me. Time and space becomes relative, because we're always together, in our thoughts, in our dreams. You're always by my side, and I'm always by your side, cheering you on, supporting you in everything you do, and loving you because you deserve it. I feel your love and warmth next to me at all times, accepting and supporting me, empowering me to be the best version of myself. Thank you, God. I am the luckiest person in the world. I love that I'm in love. I love me. And I love you. And I receive and give love freely. As I accept what is and I surrender to this beautiful energy. And I accept true love in my life.